I've been attached with the feeling of now waking up with you by my side.
Dahil nga guys sa interview ng ating Belle na kung saan ay maraming ang nalaman ang maraming bablis, lalong lalo na nga sa magiging kaganapan nila. Pero ito nga ang ating Belle Mariano ay meron pang ang binahagi sa atin na kung saan ay talaga namang sinurpresa nga raw siya ng ating Donnie Pangilinan at talagang hindi nga muna sinabi rito. Narito nga guys sa nasabing video, sabay-sabay nating panoorin.
I really watched PBB kasi talaga. And I was so surprised that he entered. And he didn't tell me. I was like, why didn't you tell me? Nagulat nga ako. Sabi niya, no, I wanted it to be a surprise. So I was so shocked. Pero sobrang funny. And I love it. You know, I really, it's so nice that, he was able to, you know, to share their hearts. I mean, inside the house of Kuya. And it's so nice na pinasok siya doon. Because I feel like he would really be a good energy to every house. Yes, that's true.
Nakita mo ba? Kasi parang super na-idolize din nila si Donnie.
Yes.
So how do you feel about that?
Nakakatawa. Why not, right? It's Donnie Pangilinan. Come on. So yeah, nakakatawa and it's so fun and I love him.
Umani nga agad ito ng maraming komento na ayon nga sa mga bula, Donnie knows na Belle loves watching PBB. So he surprised her. Napapasok siya, Diyos ko, Don Belle. Full story please, plus her it's Donnie Pangilinan. Proud GF ha? Iyan na nga guys na kung saan ay sobra talagang natuwa dito itong ating mga bula na kung saan ay marami pa nga tayong malalaman. Kaya stay tuned lang tayo for more update.